Hey Spicer fans, Zach Heisey here at the Dana Garage. Today we're going to talk to you about some of the useful calculators that Dana has on its websites, danaaftermarket.com and spicerparts.com. The next calculator we're going to talk about is the tire height calculator. Most new cars have what a lot of people refer to as metric tire sizes, and it's not an easy way to get an overall height of the tire. So we're going to go into our calculators on danaaftermarket.com or spicerparts.com, go to the tire height calculator, and we're going to enter the numbers that are right here on the sides of the tire. So the first number is the tire width, and that's 245. The next number is what they call the aspect ratio. In this particular tire, it's a 75 series tire. And then the rim size, the wheel size, is 17, and that's in inches. You put those three numbers in, hit calculate, it'll tell you this is a 31.5 inch tall tire. That's how you use a tire calculator.